Alrighty, so you may have picked up your very first miniature pottery wheel, and either you've made pottery in the past or this is your first time doing it, and you're trying to figure out how do you center this ball of clay. So why don't you come with me here, and we are going to work at doing that together. Alright, so one of the first things you're going to need is you're going to need some water. I just use this little cup right here. I'm going to press this clay onto the wheel head here like that, kind of sealing down those edges. Now what I like to do is get this full speed, and I'm going to be using 3 fingers, my thumb, my middle finger, and my index. My thumb and middle finger are going to be pushing up from opposite sides while my index finger flattens the top. So I can pinch it up and flatten the top. Same thing, you're going to pinch together, and as it rises, kind of flatten the top out. And then you can also kind of use that same technique and push down. Flatten that top, just like that. Here, I need a rag. Now we have our ball of clay centered, and the next step that you're going to be doing is actually going to be opening this ball of clay. Now if you've thrown on a large pottery wheel, you'll use your hands to open that up. However, on a miniature pottery wheel, you're going to have to use something different, and that is this tool, or something similar. Check back for the next video to see how you open up your ball of clay.